So, if you played my map, you probably asked yourself, how we did this? And that's why I'm here, and that's what I will show you today. So, today I will show you two different methods. The one is the one that I used in my Techneonlogic Deathrun map, and the other one it's easier to create, and I really recommend that. So yeah, let's start with the Deathrun method. So you need two shopping carts, and you will place them here. Now you will place a trigger right here, and you'll just set it to triggered by damage on. Receive damage when invisible. You don't need this yet. Take damage, and when triggered, transmit on channel 1. And now you just change to channel 2. With damage volumes, you will expand the 8th, 500 damage, 1 second damage tick rate, and effects animated vehicles on. Now you will place a trap right here, and another one right here, and two different barriers. So this barrier will stay deactivated, and when the car hits the trigger, it will activate, so the shopping cart can no longer go, and then this will deactivate and the cart will trigger this trigger and will deactivate. Yeah, it's a loop system. So disabled. Here I will turn on the barrier visibility so you can see what is happening, but you don't need to. Enable when receiving from channel 1 and disable when receiving from channel 2. Now you just need to translucent, enabled, enable when receiving from channel 2 and disable when receiving from channel 1. It's just this. Now I will place two barriers to show you what is happening. So in this one I will disable blue force field, enable when receiving from channel 1, disable when receiving from channel 2. So when the cart hits this trigger, the barrier will activate. On this one I use enable when receiving from channel 2, disable when receiving from channel 1. And now I will just change to red force field. So as you can see in game, the system is working. So for this system we just need music sequencers and triggers. You'll just create a looping system with music sequencers. You'll build a 4x4 thing. Now you'll change this one to game phase, game start. And now you'll place one trigger here and triggered by damage on. When triggered, transmit on channel 3 because the other two channels are being used. So now you'll change the channel to channel 4. You'll take barriers and they will show you if this is working. So they should be disabled. Enable when receiving from channel 3, disable when receiving from channel 4. This one will be red force field, disabled, and enable when receiving from channel 4, disabled when receiving from channel 3. So as you can see, the system is working pretty well, and we basically just created a looping system which is activating the triggers and changing the barrier. As I said, you can just change the beats per minute in the music sequencers and change their velocity.